How's it going, guys? My name's Matt and I wanted to show you something special today. Right behind me here is a Ghibli store. Hayao Miyazaki, the man behind My Neighbor Totoro and Spirited Away and all those great classic movies. So we're gonna check it out and see what kind of cute things they sell that are Ghibli. So guys, it is almost Valentine's Day. It seems like they have a lot of Ghibli Totoro, like cute Valentine's Day stuff. Oh, cool, little candies. It's like Kiki's Delivery Service shirt. Oh, this is cute. My Neighbor Totoro. I don't even know what that is. I guess it's a bag of some sort. Little towel things. Oh, that's adorable. They have little socks. My Neighbor Totoro socks, super cute. These are for kids though, this definitely won't fit me, but they are adorable. Oh, here's little keychains. I have a key without a chain on it. This is gonna be great. Should I get one? What do you think? So I think these are finger things. They're kind of funny. Guys, here's toilet seat covers. Totoro toilet seat covers. What more could you want? Okay, I got something better than toilet seat covers. This is a 3D puzzle, and this is Howl's Moving Castle. And this one is the bathhouse from Spirited Away. And this is from Castle in the Sky. Those clocks are really cool, guys. So guys, I just wanted to show you a little bit of the Ghibli store. It's really cool to see one of these and just see all the Totoro and Ghibli products and the Hayao Miyazaki stuff. I'm a huge fan. If you haven't seen any of the movies, they're amazing. My favorite one has gotta be probably Howl's Moving Castle. But My Neighbor Totoro and Spirited Away are very close first place as well. So that was it. If you liked the video or if you want to see more stuff that has to do with Japan, I do all kinds of interesting things looking at Japan from an American's perspective. If you want to see more of that, go ahead and subscribe down below. Like the video if you liked it. And thanks so much, guys. I'll do more of this type of stuff. It's pretty cool, guys. Ghibli store. See you in the next video.